Yes, students, you should write one question on your notebooks. So, question information details are you need to write gross profit rate, gross profit rate 20% on COGS. You know COGS? COGS means cost of goods sold. जो सामान हमारे यहाँ से बेचा जा रहा है उस सामान पर, बेचे जाने वाले सामान पर लगने वाली कॉस्टिंग COGS. One more information we have, credit sales 10 lakhs, credit sales 10 lakh rupees. Credit sales 10 lakh rupees and cash sales 5 lakh rupees. Credit sales 10 lakh rupees and cash sales 5 lakh rupees. They were further asking sales return. Sales return 3 lakh rupees. They were of asking sales return 3 lakh rupees. Further, they were of indicating gross profit rate 20% on COGS. So they were of indicating gross profit rate is 20% on COGS. COGS information, cost of goods sold information they are providing us. So first of all, we need to find what is the amount of gross profit. Find gross profit. As well, they were of asking find COGS, cost of goods sold. So you need to calculate two of the things. First of all, gross profit, and second, you need to calculate COGS, cost of goods sold. So try to attempt this one so that we may able to know that how much you had learned and what is the performance. So students, this is an important one and you need to attempt and try to answer for the same question. It's an important one to answer. So you must have paper and pencil with yourself to answer it, the situation, so that you may be able to know that what is the correct answer for the sequence available. So students, you had attempted this one. Okay, what is the answer now? Tell me.
COGS 10 lakhs, gross profit 2 lakhs.
Okay, so students, those are sitting nearby to this. So they were of asking COGS. So we need to calculate the how we can draw the COGS. So you should go for answer and try to listen the answer carefully. This time we have the answer. As you know, credit sales 10 lakh rupees and cash sales 5 lakh rupees. So credit sales 10 lakh rupees and cash sales 5 lakh rupees. So total sales went to 15 lakh rupees. Further, they were of asking sales return. So sales return will be 3 lakh rupees. So in this way, net sales would be considered like 12 lakh rupees. So net sales is now 12 lakh rupees. So first of all, we have detail for 12 lakh rupees net sales. Thereafter, we need to calculate further COGS. So for the calculation of COGS, we are in need to attempt the situation onto the board and find out to answer that what exactly the answer should be. So for the same purpose, we need some space. So I am just erasing a few content. You must aware that whenever we are calculating and applying the formula, so sales equals to COGS plus gross profit. This is a very simple and basic formula to find out sales. So sales is equal to COGS plus gross profit. Whatever information we have, we should place onto the board. So we have net sales, this is 12 lakh rupees. So we have detail for net sales, this is 12 lakh rupees equals. Now we have two information, one of COGS and second is gross profit. So for the purpose of calculation, first of all we need to assume what should be the amount of COGS. So we consider the amount of COGS as X plus as the symbol. Gross profit rate applicable 20%. So what is the information? 20% on sales or 20% on COGS? 20% on COGS. So this time we had to assume X as COGS. So this we need to apply 20%. So this is 20 X by 100 because information given for 20 X by 100, and in this way we need to calculate. So we can suppose 1 over there, and this time common LCM is 100 and this divide by 100, so goes to 100, and this is 100x plus 100 divided by 100, 20, 1, so this is 20x. This all must be equals to 12x. Now it is very easy. This information goes to 12 lakh rupees, and 12 lakh rupees must be equal to 120x plus 100 divided by 100, and it should be assumed as 1 thereafter. इस जीरो से ये जीरो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे दोनों टर्म्स का, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर यहाँ हो जाएगा आपके पास में, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इन्फॉर्मेशन करने से जो नंबर्स अब आपके पास में आ जाएंगे, तो इसमें आपके पास नंबर है 12 लाख रुपीज़, 12x मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू 12 lakhs multiply with 10 because 0 has already subtracted. So this time we have value for 12x equals to 4 zeros are there, and x must be equals to 10 lakh rupees. As we consider x as COGS and value of x is given, so this time we have information for COGS 10 lakhs. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर में COGS का वैल्यू जो आ रहा है वो 10 लाख रुपीज़ का वैल्यू यहाँ पर आ रहा है. सो व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट नाउ? यस, इट्स वेरी इजी बिकॉज वी हैव फॉर्मूला सेल्स माइनस COGS. So sales value we have, this is 12 lakh rupees, and COGS value, this one we have 10 lakh rupees. So in this way the amount of gross profit that remains as 2 lakh rupees for us. So gross profit rate is 2 lakh rupees. So students, this is the overall solution for the question whatever we had attempted onto the situation. So this is an important one to learn, and this formula would apply in so many places, so you must be clearly understood that what we are trying to explain. So this is the basic questions that we should have solution. Thanks students for watching this video. Please share and subscribe the channel.